Dear students, last period we have studied comparing quantities, and the last exercise of these lessons means exercise 8.3. You have to solve the questions, students, up to question number 8. यहाँ पे आपको question number 8 तक की solve करना है exercise 8.3 के लिए. And the next questions mean 9, 10, 11 and 12. These questions are omitted here. यहाँ पे omit कर दिया है. Means you have to complete, you have to write in copy questions 1 to question 8 here, students. And now today we shall learn new lessons, algebraic expressions and identities. This is our lesson. This is our chapter number 9 here. In 6th standard, you have studied the algebraic expressions, students. So first of all, we see here the algebraic expressions is what? n3x plus 2, 4x square, 8y minus 3. These are the expressions. These are the algebraic expressions, students. Or we can say expression. इनको हम expression भी कह सकते हैं. ये algebraic expressions है, इनको हम expression के तौर पर भी simply हम expression भी बोल सकते हैं. We can say simply expressions. Then now expression means what? Expressions are formed from the variable and constant here, students. See here the example 4x plus 3x. This is our example. It is an expression, students. Here variable means here is a 4. Here variable is x, students, and the 4 and the 3 are constants here. Constants. Here the constants are 4, 3. We take one more example. Then 5x minus 4 here. It is an expression, students. Here variable is x and the constants are 5, minus 2. These are the constants here, students. Then after that, we see the next topic here, students, the terms, then coefficients, and the factors here. Here the terms. Terms means what here, students? Here the terms are added. Terms, we read here first about the terms. Terms are added to form an expression. To form an expression. Means terms here, students. Suppose this example. Here 5x terms. 5x it is the first term. Minus 4 it is the second term. Here in these examples 4x is the first term. 3 is the second terms. यहाँ ये 2 terms है. 2 terms. These 2 terms are added to form an expression. इसे हम कहते हैं expressions. And in this expression it has a 2 terms. यहाँ पे 2 terms है. It is also an expression and it has a 2 terms. In which 2 terms? 5x and minus 4. ये हमारे लिए terms हो जाते हैं. That means here terms are added to form an expressions here. variable and therefore it is a coefficient. We say coefficient. Coefficient. Now after that we see the next topics. This topics means the polynomial students. Monomial, binomial and then polynomial students. So we write one by one here. The monomials means what? Monomials. Monomials. Monomials are expression that contain only one term. Only one term. For example, expression that contains only one term is called a monomial. Is called a monomial. Here the example here students. ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही टर्म होती है उसे कहते हैं हम मोनोमियल. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर 4x² - 3y² then x²y. It is only one term students. यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही टर्म. So these are all monomial students. Then the next one is binomial. The second is binomial. Binomial expressions that contains only two terms. Only two terms is called polynomial. एक ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें सिर्फ टू टर्म्स होते हैं and we say this expressions binomial. For example, 8x - 5 x² + y², then 2y² + 3, like this. These are the binomials because it has two terms. यहाँ पे two terms है इसलिए binomial होते हैं. Then the next one is trinomial. Trinomial expressions that contains only three terms. That contains three terms is called a trinomial. It's called a trinomial students. For example, एक ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें three terms होते हैं. For example, here x² + y² + z², like this. Then x² + 2x + 3. This is then y² + xy + 3. It is also a trinomial because it has a three terms. यहाँ पे three terms हैं इसलिए हमें ये trinomial होता है. Now we write about the polynomial here. polynomial. In general, an expression containing 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 one or more terms with non-zero coefficients with non-zero coefficients with non-zero coefficients called polynomial. मीन्स एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें वन टर्म होते हैं या मोर देन वन टर्म्स होते हैं विद नॉन जीरो कोएफिशिएंट्स या स्टूडेंट्स कोएफिशिएंट जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए that expression is called here the polynomial. It's a polynomial means here the trinomial is a polynomial, जो monomial है उसे भी हम polynomial कहते हैं, binomial is a polynomial, trinomial is a polynomial. ये सभी को हम एक ही वर्ड यूज करते हैं polynomials, because polynomials means an expressions containing one or more terms with a non-zero coefficients. So these all examples are polynomial here.